Good evening, folks. Welcome to another edition of Slot Stocks. Joe May. Well, how did everybody do today? Pretty flat market overall. We've got a couple things we're going to talk about. It is February 22nd. So AMC. Good day today for AMC. Really good day today. So let's jump straight into AMC and let's see what's going on. There's lots of news today regarding AMC, and also there is earnings are forecasted later in the week. So that could be interesting. So yeah, let's look at AMC. All right, AMC. Well, now it's up 85 cents. 14.91%. It was actually up over 20% for the day, which is really good. There was definitely, if y'all have been following any of my last videos, if y'all haven't, let's take a moment. If y'all wouldn't mind, please hit that like and subscribe button. So I've been talking of the support line of about the 550 range, and that held true if you've been following my other videos. So, and I was also saying that may not be a horrible time to buy. So if anybody did buy at the 550 mark during that support, if you wouldn't mind commenting below my video, and I would love to hear some feedback and just see where everybody stands with this. And so today, if you did purchase at the 550 mark, where that support line was very showing and telltale. So if that was the case, today being up 85 cents at the closing of the bell is probably a pretty good day for y'all. So again, like I said, if y'all wouldn't mind, please comment below. So let's look up here. So why is it moving? Shares of several companies in reopening sectors such as theme park, travel, hotel, and cruise are trading higher as the rate of new COVID-19 cases declines amidst the vaccine rollout. Multiple airlines were also upgraded by Deutsche Bank, with also boosting sentiment. Okay, well that's a first thing. So basically, all the hotel sectors, the gaming sectors, obviously the airline. I mean, there was a pretty good day today for that. The bank sectors were pretty good. Like I said, my energy sectors were good, which is you start, easing the restrictions, and it's really going to help the airline industry, which is going to help my favorite sector currently of the, the oil and the natural gas and all that. So, but there was lots of news today. A lot of news headlines. At 2:51 p.m., you see there was an option alert. Anyways, there we go. At 3:43 p.m. Eastern Time, New York governor announces New York City theaters can reopen. Cinema stocks rise. There we go, folks. And these are all post-market. I mean, I guess there was a buildup of just overall of easing the restrictions. That helped. But then you got this post-market information coming in here, which is really going to make for a very interesting day tomorrow, I do believe. AMC will reopen all 13 theaters in New York City as of March 5th. Hey, there's green days ahead, folks. And at 4:56 p.m., AMC theaters shares are trading higher after the company announced it will reopen all 13 theaters in New York City as of March 5th. Here at 5:08, AMC stock rallies 9% after theater reopening plan in New York City. And this is why we're getting movement today. At 9:26, AMC shares spiked to 20% today. That's pretty exciting. And also, if you look at the bid and ask size, there's not a whole lot we can get from that currently because the number is pretty small. But there is definitely more orders of buying than selling right now. So that's another good indication that we could be setting up for a pretty interesting day. I mean, especially with all that information today. So this is why we've had this boost. So we had a high today of 668 was the day's high. The low at 575. So there was definitely some good money-making opportunity there. Like that, especially if you were able to get in at that support line of 550, which I have been mentioning in my videos. It sets up for, you're in control. You're in the driver's seat. You're set up for an opportunity to maybe do a swing trade here and cash in on some pretty good profits, or hold on to it and let's see what's the futures looking like for this thing tomorrow. Are we going to fall back down? Are we going to go up? Positive news is out, so it definitely increased today, and that was why. And I believe it's attracted a lot of attention again. So another possibly squeezing out the shorts. We know what can happen there, folks. Kaboom! Could happen. Could happen. So interesting. AMC are scheduled to have their earnings this week. So anyways, during the November they were forecasted between a negative 421 to negative 565 a share. They actually missed this estimate and actually finished at 841. And so this time they're forecasted as a negative 3.61 a share. So this is going to be a telltale, folks. So if they can beat these earnings on top of already the good news, we could have a pretty good explosion here of greatness. There's a lot to come with these earnings. Like I said, I think tomorrow it appears we're going to continue this rise, because it looks as if we are possibly squeezing out, maybe squeezing out the shorts here, and it could get ridiculous again. I mean, we've definitely left the support, and we've had this continuously uphill trend going. So the only thing that could possibly crush this right now is if everybody cashes out on their quick profits that they made today, or some bad news comes. Then the only bad news I could possibly see coming around the horizon for AMC currently is, are they going to meet their expectations on their earnings? So yeah, a really good day for AMC. A lot of excitement there for sure. Well, folks, that's very, very interesting, and I wish I would have purchased AMC. I don't own any of the shares or AMC, but I watched that 550 support line, pretty much maintain between the 545 up to 560, back down to 550, and I seen the support, and I felt pretty good about that support, and I indicated that it would probably not be a bad purchase price at 550. I didn't purchase. Like I said, I've been heavily favored in the energy sectors, but yeah, it's a great day for AMC, and I kind of expect that trend to maybe slowly go up again tomorrow, and then let's see where these earnings go. I mean, can they beat the earnings expectations? If you throw that into the mix of everything's opening up as well, could be exciting. So anyways, if y'all wouldn't mind, please hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to continue this party. We're going to see where this goes for the rest of the week. I'm really excited, and I'm really, hope y'all enjoy my videos. I know they're cheesy, but hey, let's have fun. Let's have fun, folks. Again, if y'all wouldn't mind, please hit that like and subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. Y'all have a good night. Thanks.